Jepetip nam tai kubor laj kami kai dan altali kepus kami kai kebalaj ta kawai hapo Pombot Presbyterian Lower Primary School Pombot kebahaba po Milim Block kini kadai nam ta ki LP te don kam ban day kelas 12 sejrong pian pas dilet plus LP MTET certificate balak ban apply kini kadai deficit system te ki bukwa ban tap ya kini ki la ban pha ki application ki jong pi Hal neswak arpratarik menebsau arjar fly pila ban phun ru ini kontak nomor ban wat jingtip prasaway san not kendai nyau kendai praar bat sakawai pat invite candidate for work and interview on the 17th of April kandai kanyau 3 April Monday at 10 a.m. for the post of assistant teacher in mathematics and physics secondary section kandai namtagi secondary section dan kaman pas BSc with BEd nane hangne mention so minimum qualification BSc in the required subject kemudba hila aban like mention BEd please bring your original certificate along with the standard form application and document attached ikwa ban tab salej khat new tarik Monday porish puji ban apply nam ta kini pus mathematics and physics school kare po Hillcrest Higher Secondary School Renja nagini YouTube college bun